When building or upgrading a PC, choosing the right case is crucial. It affects not just your hardware's cooling and airflow, but also the overall aesthetics and usability of your setup. But with so many options out there, how do you pick the perfect mid-tower case for your needs? Today, we're reviewing the best mid-tower computer cases that combine performance, design, and affordability. Let's dive into our top 5 picks, starting with number 1. Kicking off our list at number 1, Lian Li LANCOOL II. The Lian Li LANCOOL II is a highly regarded mid-tower case known for its sleek design, excellent airflow, and versatility. Whether you're building a gaming rig or a high-performance workstation, the LANCOOL II offers a spacious interior and great cable management, making it a solid choice for those who demand functionality with style. This case balances aesthetics with performance and is perfect for users who want a simple, functional build without compromising on the look. Key features. One of the standout features of the Lian Li LANCOOL II is its dual-chamber design. This split design helps to keep your power supply and cables neatly tucked away, providing a clean build. The case comes with 3 pre-installed 120mm fans, 2 at the front and 1 at the rear, which ensure excellent airflow. Additionally, it supports up to 3 120mm fans at the top, which means your system can stay cool during intensive use. The tempered glass side panel adds to its modern aesthetic, while the front mesh panel enhances air intake. Benefits and usage. The Lian Li LANCOOL II is perfect for gamers and content creators who prioritize both looks and performance. The spacious interior supports motherboards up to ATX size, with plenty of room for expansion. Its excellent cable management system ensures a clean, organized build, reducing clutter. If you're someone who plans to overclock or use powerful components, the robust airflow system of the LANCOOL II helps prevent overheating. This case is also ideal for users who value customization, as it offers flexibility in terms of fan and radiator placement. Usability. Ease of use is one of the main benefits of the Lian Li LANCOOL II. The removable dust filters located at the top, front, and bottom are a great addition, making maintenance a breeze. The front I/O panel is positioned conveniently and includes USB 3.0 ports, making it easy to connect your peripherals. Installation is straightforward, thanks to toolless drive bays and a spacious interior that makes cable management and component installation hassle-free. Overall, this case offers a user-friendly experience, even for those new to PC building. Durability. The Lian Li LANCOOL II is built to last, thanks to its solid construction and high-quality materials. The tempered glass side panel is both durable and resistant to scratches, ensuring that your build will look pristine for years. The steel frame provides excellent structural integrity, while the high airflow design prevents overheating and ensures long-term performance. The case can accommodate a variety of components, including larger graphics cards and multiple cooling systems, making it an excellent investment for any serious PC builder. In the second spot, we have Phanteks Eclipse P400A. The Phanteks Eclipse P400A is an outstanding mid-tower case that excels in airflow and cooling performance. With its focus on airflow, the P400A has been designed to deliver superior cooling to your PC components. The front mesh panel allows for unrestricted airflow to ensure your system stays cool, even during extended gaming sessions or high-performance workloads. It's a great option for users who prioritize functionality, clean design, and great airflow management in their builds. Key features. The Phanteks Eclipse P400A features a front mesh panel that maximizes airflow and helps reduce internal temperature. It comes with 3 pre-installed 120mm fans, which improve airflow right out of the box. The case supports up to 6 120mm fans in total, giving you ample room to customize your cooling setup. Additionally, the Eclipse P400A supports up to a 360mm radiator at the front, providing extensive cooling options for high-end builds. The case's minimalist design with a tempered glass side panel offers a premium aesthetic, and the steel frame ensures durability and reliability. Benefits and usage. The Phanteks Eclipse P400A is a fantastic choice for users looking for high-performance cooling. Its open mesh design ensures that cool air flows freely through the case, while the ample fan slots provide excellent expandability. It's perfect for users building high-end gaming PCs, overclocked systems, or any system that demands high cooling performance. The clean, modern design is appealing to users who want a visually striking build with minimal fuss. Its large interior also provides plenty of space for expanding your components, making it suitable for various types of builds. Usability. When it comes to usability, the Phanteks Eclipse P400A shines. Installation is made easier with its well-organized interior, which provides excellent cable management options. The case's tool-free drive bays simplify component installation and upgrades. Additionally, the removable dust filters at the top, bottom, and front of the case make it easy to maintain cleanliness and improve airflow. The front I/O panel includes two USB 3.0 ports, which are convenient for connecting peripherals and other devices. The straightforward layout ensures that even first-time builders can set up their systems with ease. Durability. The Phanteks Eclipse P400A is built with durability in mind. Its solid steel construction provides excellent structural integrity, and the case's premium materials ensure it can withstand the wear and tear of frequent use. The tempered glass side panel is both durable and scratch-resistant, helping preserve the aesthetics of your build. The case's efficient cooling design also ensures that your components will remain cool, prolonging their lifespan. The overall durability of the Phanteks Eclipse P400A makes it a reliable option for long-term use, ensuring it will serve you well for years to come. Coming in at number 3 is the Be Quiet Pure Base 500. The Be Quiet Pure Base 500 is a mid-tower case that is designed with a focus on silence, cooling, and ease of use. True to its name, this case is built with sound-dampening materials to minimize noise while maintaining effective airflow and cooling. Whether you're building a quiet office PC or a gaming rig, the Pure Base 500 combines performance with a low-noise environment, providing a peaceful yet efficient setup. Key features. The Be Quiet Pure Base 500 is equipped with noise-dampening panels on the front, top, and sides, which significantly reduce the overall noise level of your system. It also features excellent airflow with a front mesh panel for increased intake, as well as the ability to install up to 5 120mm fans, providing options for optimal cooling. The case supports up to a 360mm radiator in the front and a 240mm radiator at the top for users looking to implement a liquid cooling solution. With two pre-installed PureWings 2 fans, the case balances quiet operation with effective airflow. Benefits and usage. The Be Quiet Pure Base 500 is perfect for users who want a quiet but powerful PC case. Whether you're an audiophile or simply dislike the noise from spinning fans, this case ensures a quiet system while still providing great cooling performance. The clean, sleek design of the Pure Base 500 makes it suitable for both gaming rigs and professional workstations. The ample space and flexibility in cooling options make it ideal for a variety of builds, including high-performance systems with liquid cooling. Usability. The Be Quiet Pure Base 500 is designed to be user-friendly, offering a simple yet efficient build process. The cable management system helps to keep things organized and out of sight, contributing to a clean and professional look. The front I/O panel features USB 3.0 ports, making it easy to connect external devices. Installation of drives, cooling solutions, and components is straightforward, thanks to the spacious interior and tool-free design for 3.5-inch and 2.5 drives. The removable dust filters further help with maintaining the case and keeping your system cool. Durability. The Be Quiet Pure Base 500 is built with durability in mind, featuring a solid steel frame and high-quality sound-dampening materials. The tempered glass side panel ensures that your system looks great while remaining resistant to scratches. The build quality of the case is excellent, ensuring that it can handle the demands of heavy-duty builds without compromising on performance. With excellent airflow and cooling options, the Be Quiet Pure Base 500 maintains its durability and effectiveness even during extended gaming or work sessions. Taking our fourth spot is Thermaltake V200. The Thermaltake V200 is an affordable yet stylish mid-tower case designed for gamers and PC builders who want a sleek, modern look without breaking the bank. With its tempered glass side panel and customizable RGB lighting, the V200 provides excellent aesthetics and functionality. This case offers ample space for high-performance components and cooling options, making it a solid choice for anyone looking to build a gaming rig or a high-performance PC. Key features: the Thermaltake V200 features a full-length tempered glass side panel, which allows you to showcase your components in style. It comes with two pre-installed 120mm RGB fans at the front, giving you immediate customization options for your lighting setup. The V200 supports up to 6 120mm fans in total, giving you flexibility in airflow options. The spacious interior accommodates ATX motherboards and multiple GPU configurations, and the case's design ensures good airflow and cooling performance during intense gaming or high-performance tasks. Benefits and usage: the Thermaltake V200 is ideal for gamers who want a visually striking PC case that doesn't compromise on performance. The RGB lighting adds a fun and dynamic element to your build, while the spacious interior ensures that even high-end components fit comfortably. The V200 also provides ample cooling options, making it suitable for users looking to overclock their systems or run resource-intensive applications. Its modern design and affordable price point make it an excellent choice for gamers on a budget who don't want to sacrifice aesthetics or functionality. Usability: the Thermaltake V200 is easy to work with thanks to its tool-free design for drive bays and a spacious interior that accommodates larger components. The front I/O panel is conveniently located and includes USB 3.0 ports for fast data transfer. Cable management is made easy with integrated tie-down points, and the removable dust filters help keep the interior of the case clean. Overall, the V200 offers a straightforward installation experience and plenty of room for expansion, making it ideal for both beginner and experienced builders. Durability: the Thermaltake V200 is made from sturdy materials, including a steel frame and durable tempered glass. The case is designed to withstand the rigors of gaming and high-performance computing, ensuring that it will last for years. The robust design and efficient cooling system help maintain the longevity of your components, ensuring they stay cool and perform at their best. Whether you're using the V200 for gaming or professional work, its durability makes it a great investment for any PC enthusiast. And finally, at number 5, we have Antec NX410. The Antec NX410 is a stylish and functional mid-tower case that caters to gamers and PC enthusiasts. With its futuristic design, including RGB lighting and tempered glass side panels, the NX410 offers both aesthetics and cooling performance. This case is an excellent option for users who want a sleek, visually appealing build without compromising on functionality or space for their components. Key features: the Antec NX410 features a striking front mesh panel with built-in RGB lighting, offering a modern look while enhancing airflow. It comes with two pre-installed 120mm fans at the front and one at the rear, providing decent cooling right out of the box. The NX410 can support up to 6 120mm fans and multiple radiator configurations for custom cooling. It also has space for full-sized ATX motherboards, high-end GPUs, and additional storage options, making it a versatile choice for various builds. Benefits and usage: the Antec NX410 is perfect for users who want an affordable case with strong airflow and customizable aesthetics. The RGB lighting can be adjusted to suit your preferences, giving you the flexibility to match your build's color scheme. The spacious interior and ample cooling options make it suitable for users building high-performance systems, while the sleek design ensures it looks great in any setup. Whether you're a gamer or content creator, the NX410 offers solid performance and eye-catching visuals. Usability: the Antec NX410 is easy to build in, with a user-friendly interior that makes cable management a breeze. The tool-free design for drive bays and the removable dust filters at the top and bottom help keep the system clean and well-maintained. The I/O panel is conveniently located and includes USB 3.0 ports for quick data transfer. Overall, the NX410 offers a smooth building experience for users of all skill levels, ensuring that both installation and upkeep are hassle-free. Durability: 2024 The Antec NX410 is built with durability in mind, offering a sturdy steel frame and tempered glass panels that will last for years. The case's cooling efficiency helps maintain the longevity of your components by preventing overheating, while the RGB lighting and sleek design ensure it stays visually appealing over time. The NX410 provides excellent performance and reliability, making it a solid investment for any PC build. Choosing the right mid-tower case is crucial for ensuring optimal airflow, aesthetics, and functionality in your build. Whether you prioritize cooling, noise reduction, or striking visuals, each of these cases offers something unique. We hope this review helped you find the perfect fit for your PC setup. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about your favorite case from our list. Happy building!